My name is N.R. Pawar. Welcome to PVPIT Mechanical Engineering Department. Mechanical Department is established in year 2006 and intake of Mechanical Engineering Department UG 120 and PG is 36. Department having total 70 labs, artificial intelligence and machine learning are added in the curriculum of university. Skill Development Lab is also a part of Mechanical Engineering Department. In the Skill Development Lab, different activities are continuously going on by students and they will share their knowledge with their juniors. Students of mechanical engineering are participate in national as well as international competitions through the technical clubs like BAHA, Supra, Robotics, etc. Mechanical engineering students were placed through institutes, central training and placement. Last year, students got placed in core companies having 7 LPA and in IT companies with more than 4 LPA. This comprehensive knowledge is beneficial to students to accept all challenges throughout the globe. That's why this mechanical engineering students having better future. Thank you.